Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Info Street. In today's video, we are going to dive into the SAP Integration Suite and explore the JSON to XML converter palette function. So this powerful feature allows you to easily transform JSON data into XML format, which is essential for many integration scenarios. Okay, so now let's get started. So for this demo, we will be using this JSON data. So here it is the source data. Okay. This is in the JSON format and below is the target data. So we will convert the above JSON data into the XML data. So here you can also see the namespace. So we will also add the namespace in this conversion process. Okay, now let's just create an integration flow. Let me just give it a name here. Convert JSON to XML demo. Okay, now open. Okay, so now let's click on edit. Let me just bring it to the center. Okay, now let me connect it, and I will use the HTTPS adapter here. Okay, so in the connection, in the address field, I will add a suffix. Let me just mention convert JSON to XML. Okay, now let me just add JSON to XML converter. Okay, let me just bring it up here. Now in the processing, we will just uncheck this namespace mapping, and in the add root element in the name. Okay, here we will be mentioning the root element name. Let me just copy it from the notepad. Now I will paste it here. Okay, so as you can see, this namespace map we will not find anything here. So for this, we need to make an entry. So for this, we need to make an entry in the runtime configuration. So let me just quickly do it. So let me just copy it from the notepad. Click on copy. Now paste it here. Now again, we will navigate to our JSON to XML converter processing properties. Now here we will select our namespace mapping. Okay. Okay, now let me add content modifier here. So in the message header, I will add a new header with the name content type, and the source value will be the application slash XML. Okay, now let me just check. Okay, now I will click on save. Now we will deploy this integration flow. Okay, we will be navigating to the manage integration content. Now here, let me just refresh it. So as you can see, we have got our endpoint. Now let me just navigate to test console. Now let me just paste our endpoint here. Okay. Also, let me just copy the source data and paste it in the request body. Okay, now click on send. Oh, it is saying unauthorized. Oh, actually, I need to change the authentication to basic authentication. For this, I need to enter the service key that I have created in the SAP BTP cockpit. So now let me just copy and paste it here. Now click on OK. Now click on send. So as you can see here, you have got the data which is converted into the JSON format. Now let us just quickly copy the URL and we'll paste in the Postman. Okay. Let me just clear it. Okay, now I will send a request. As you can see here, we have got our response, which is in the XML format. So that's it. You have successfully used the JSON to XML converter in SAP Integration Suite. This powerful feature makes data integration smoother and more efficient. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on SAP Integration Suite. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.